dog. New kitchen. At least partially new kitchen. New window. New wall. New dishwasher. New floor.
Hey you, go get those.
New door. And new stairs. Here we go. Where's my little sweetheart? Yeah, this is the old workshop.
Hey, I need those. Get with Papa.
And Daddy's little helper. Yeah.
No, I don't need that one. I need that black one. Give me the black one, please. I need that. If I can't put the screw in without it.
Yeah.
Stop your throwing.
You helping Daddy? Briana? Are you helping Daddy? You're a sweetheart.
Yeah. We called that.
Oh boy. Here.
You need to stop throwing them. Somebody's going to get hurt. It's going to be me.
Briana, are you helping? Huh? That's a good little girl.
Hey, where's that screw? Right there. Give me Papa right.
Oh boy.
Thank you. Careful. All gone. Now we gotta wait for Grandpa for some more wood.